for my beginner violins and violas who got to take home their instruments today to practice. I'm just going to go over the fingerings for the notes for your test, which is actually going to be on Tuesday. So we're only using the D string. Okay, so I'm using a violin here right now, so I hope you remember which one is your D string. So here we go. I'm going to go bring this in. Okay, so when we're on the D string, open D, that means no fingers on the string, makes the note D. Okay, so that's nice and easy. Now, to make the note E, if you're a violinist, this doesn't mean to use the E string, okay, not in these pieces. That's a different E and we're not there yet. Sorry, I'm just taking off the loose hair as I speak to you. The note E is made by placing your first finger on the first tape of your D string. So, and this is for violas as well, okay, just on a different string. This is your first tape, the tape which is closest to the scroll, okay? First finger goes on first tape. Remember, you only have 4 fingers. Okay, your pointer finger is finger 1. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, no fingers on D makes a note D. First finger on the tape makes a note E. Sorry, don't mind my fingers. I just want you to be able to see. Second finger on the second tape makes a note F sharp. Third finger on the third tape makes G. Okay, so D, finger 1, E, finger 2, F sharp, finger 3, G. Now, if you're moving on to some of the pieces we haven't done in class yet, but you're kind of challenging yourself, first of all, good for you. The next notes we're going to be doing are on the A string. So if you're a violist, this is your highest string. For violins, it's your second highest string. Now, open A makes the note A. Finger 1 on the first tape makes the note B. Finger 2 makes C sharp. Finger 3 makes D. Now, you notice finger 3 on A makes D, and there's also open D. When we start reading music off of a staff, okay, off the treble clef or the alto clef, you will be able to tell which note your piece wants. For the yellow pages in our All for Strings book, if the rest of the notes are on the A string, okay, so if we're dealing with pieces which are on page 13, the 12 and 13, if it says D, it's probably going to be this high D, okay? Otherwise, it'll say open D to specify. So just one more time, I'm going to go over from the beginning. I wonder if I do this way, will you be able to see? Kind of. Okay, I'll give you this angle too. So open D makes D. Finger 1 makes E. Finger 2, F sharp. Finger 3, G. Open A makes A. Finger 1 is B. Finger 2 is F sharp. Finger 3 is, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, on the A string, finger 2 is C sharp. Finger 3 is D. Okay? I'm just going to show you from one more angle here. All right? First finger goes on the first tape. Second finger on the second tape. Third finger on the third tape. Okay? There's also pictures of these in your All for Strings books. So if you forget, it's there to help you. Okay, every time you get a new note, there's a little picture to show you. So for instance, here's my violin book. If I'm looking at page 12, here's a picture of how to make B, how to make C sharp, how to make D. So I encourage you to challenge yourselves to learn a piece that we haven't done in class, but your test is going to be on D, E, F sharp, all on the D string. Okay, 3 notes. Can you play D? Can you play E? Can you play F sharp? Maybe have somebody at home pick one of those letters for you to play, one of those notes for you to play, and see if you can challenge yourself, because that's what the test will be. Happy practicing! Good luck, violins and violas.